Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some shocking news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we present you with the news of our favorite TV show Young and the Restless. Are Kyle Abbott and Summer Newman both leaving Young and the Restless? Will Hunter King and Michael Miller exit from the show? Do watch this video till the end to know everything. The comings and goings of Young and the Restless hints that Kyle Abbott might follow Summer Newman out of Genoa City. If the rumors are true about Michael Miller and Hunter King's contract negotiations. The latest information that we got from an insider at CBS Daytime points to one exit after the other with no recast in sight. So, are Hunter King and Michael Miller leaving Young and the Restless? As of now, nothing has been made official. But a CBS insider has been leaking info for days on Twitter that there are issues of contract. Hunter King already had some other opportunities that made renewing her deal as Summer Newman a rough go. And now the report says that YNR also hit a snag trying to renew Michael Miller as Kyle Abbott. However, there is a little bit of hope about Michael Miller. The CBS source says that the Kyle actor is open to a deal if they can come into an agreement. So while it looks like Summer Newman's exit from Young and the Restless is a done deal, the fate of Kyle Abbott is not decided yet by the showrunners. If this source is right, then there's a chance that Kyle might stick around Genoa City. Michael Miller began portraying Kyle Abbott in 2018 while Hunter King first showed up as Summer Newman in 2012. However, she left the show for 2 years from 2016 to 2018 for a primetime gig. She returned to become a part of Kyle romance. The couple is very popular on Young and the Restless. Now they have a huge fan following and will be greatly missed by all of us if they both exit. Summer Newman and Kyle Abbott split set stage for YNR to write out both the characters. As of now, only Summer Newman has gone out of town, breaking Kyle Abbott's heart in the process. That seems to be a sign that the backstage chatter is correct and Hunter King is moving on from the CBS soap opera. However, the way they left Summer's exit with Kyle hanging, it leaves the writer plenty of room to maneuver depending on Michael Miller's contract talks. Summer Newman is off to Milan, Italy, thanks to Tara Locke's threat to keep Kyle's son away from him. So Summer ended her engagement to Kyle. That left him heartbroken, but with a woman waiting to romance him. So if Miller's people can't cut a deal with Young and the Restless, they can write him a hasty exit to pursue Summer in Italy. And if they do cut a deal, then Kyle Abbott can stick around town to play eligible bachelor healing from his recent breakup. We never know, but Hunter King might come back one day as he has already done it before. As for now, there's plenty of room in the storyline of Young and the Restless to handle whatever happened with the actors' contract talks. All we can do for now is to watch soap closely for any possible hints. Young and the Restless contracts up in the air. Are Summer and Kyle finished? It sure looks like Sally Spectra and co-schemer Tara got their way, running Summer out of town. The soap source revealed that Miller and King's contracts aren't up quite yet. However, the actress has some other work lined up reportedly and might need some time off for that. After the Twitter leak, a soap magazine picked up the story. If the contract negotiations go well, then both might be back on Young and the Restless. A set insider says that there's a 50-50 chance. They also said that if Michael Miller and Hunter King leaves, the soap has no plans to recast the characters. It makes sense, especially with Summer Newman, since Hunter has shown she's willing to come back between her projects. However, the show's producers have recast Kyle before. We can recall that Michael Miller is actually a recast after Lachlan Buchanan left the role. As for now, this is a backstage talk and nothing has been confirmed yet by CBS. It's rare that the network ever speaks out on contract negotiation or cast exits. So we'll keep you posted if the YNR insider reveals anything about Summer Newman or Kyle Abbott. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Young and the Restless as it comes in. We will have all the burning Young and the Restless spoilers, news and updates you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.